Hey everybody, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the purple shades in this palette that we just got in our Boxycharm. I can't even remember the name of it because I felt like it was complicated. The Zion Palette. Very strange, two very strange names, but I asked you guys in the Boxycharm unboxing if you wanted to see a look with the purple because I was really excited to use it and you said yes. So that's what we're doing today. As you can see, I took the time to try to plan out the look beforehand this time. So let's just get into it. Please hit subscribe if you have not already, if you are new, for more videos like this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go in with a fluffy brush and take the shade Wild River, which is the light purple. Now I will say that I was a little, you know what, that's not the first thing I did, I lied. The first thing I did was just take this top corner pale shade on a fluffy brush and just get it all over my lid just to cover up the veins and provide a base for blending. Now I'm going to go in with the purple. What I was going to say is that when I was using the purple, I noticed that I had to go in several times to build it up, which is fine. I mean, you can see like what I just did just provided me with like a light dust of purple. So then I'm going to go in again, and I'm not even tapping off the excess. I'm holding on to all of it on my brush. And then you can see it's buildable, but that's still not, you know, I still want it a lot more. And I'm like going like this, like I'm like, and I'm not tapping it off. So I don't really know what my point is. I don't necessarily want to say that it's sheer because you can obviously build it up as you see. But maybe I just needed to dig into it because I feel like it took longer to get this when I did the first eye. So maybe I just needed to like break into the pan a little bit, I guess. Because it's going a lot quicker now. So you see how pretty that is? Now I'm going in with the dense brush, and these are also, these are the ones that we got in Boxycharm, except not this green one, okay? But this is, we got in the same Boxycharm. I'm going to go in with this dark magenta here, and I'm going to tap that right along the upper lash line, almost in the spot where you would have, like, eyeliner, okay? And then I'm going to go in, this is just not one of the brushes, this is my own brush, and I'm going to take the dark purple on this brush, and I'm going to start tapping it in the outer corner and then blending it. I will say that I also felt like I had a little bit of difficulties with this dark purple because it's a very cool toned purple, and I don't know what it is, but when I, you know, tend to use cool toned shadows, they tend to be a little bit harder to blend out. I don't know if it's something about the formula when you're making a cool tone shadow, but they always seem to be a little bit dustier and a little bit, like, chunkier, I guess, and it just makes them a little bit harder to blend out. So just have some patience with it. It still gets there, though, okay? So I'm doing that, okay? Now, I'm actually also, this is like a good Boxycharm tutorial. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty double-sided thingy that we also got in it, and I'm taking the matte side and I'm really wiping off all of the excess and just making sure there's like a thin layer. And then what I'm doing, I need to bring my mirror close, is just going over the inner corner area of the lid all the way to the inner corner of the eye up to the crease. See how I'm doing that? Okay, about halfway across the lid. I have this random brush that I use, just any flat top brush will do, just to kind of tap the ends of it to blend that into the rest of the shadows here on the end. Can also use it to clean up. It's almost like a cut crease, but not really, so you can use a fine brush to kind of clean that up. Then I'm going in with the other brush that is one that we got in the Boxycharm box, and I'm going in with the light pink right here, and I'm just going over what we just did with the Huda Beauty cream, okay? So I'm almost using that cream how I usually use a concealer to cut a crease, but it provides some color underneath as well as providing something for this pink to stick onto. So now that the pink is on, I'm going to go in and do another layer of the magenta. You see that kind of disappeared here while we were blending. Layer of the magenta. And then go back in again with the dark purple. I feel like you can kind of see there's some difficulties with blending. I'm going to go back in with the light purple, which is what I did on the other eye to kind of attempt to smooth out some of the blending. I just feel like the dark purple maybe makes things a little bit difficult to blend out. I'm going in with an Anastasia brush, and I'm taking the dark purple, and I am just lining the outer half of the lower lash line with it, not the whole thing. Just to kind of give us that cat eye-ish effect that I feel like we're getting and that I like. Okay. That took what? It's been 8 minutes of filming, and I had an intro. So this is it probably took me 5 minutes to do one eye, and that's doing it on camera and explaining it. My point is, by saying that, is that this is a really quick look. You guys know I like, my goal really, anytime I do any kind of makeup tutorial, is to make it easy for you. I'm not one of those like beauty guru, I'm not really a beauty guru in the first place, but I'm not one of those beauty gurus that does like intricate makeup tutorials. For me, it's more about making it look intricate, but really it takes 5 minutes because I live a super fast-paced life and I don't have time to be doing crazy like looks that take forever. I really just don't in my regular life. I don't have time for it. So I like to reflect that in my videos as well, and this does, because this is a really quick look. You could do it in 5 minutes for sure. I don't know why my hair looks like Jaclyn Hill's dog today. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this really quick tutorial with the Boxycharm palette. Let me know if there's another look that you would like to see in it. I feel like now we have tag teamed the purples and the maroon, like the magentas. I don't necessarily feel like there's anything too different that we could do here. I mean, we could add in the dark brown somewhere, but really I feel like we probably actually accomplished a lot with the two looks that we did. But nonetheless, let me know what you guys would like to see. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I woke up this weekend and I was like, you know what? For whatever reason, I'm feeling better. It's like super, super bright out. And sometimes like the super, super bright sun and the sky combined with like the cooler air of fall, for whatever reason, it just puts me in a good mood. So I felt a lot better and I was like, I want to film a video. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and I will respond to it. Bye.